Hi, I am Vivekananda. This video shows an interesting love ritual by a pair of Indian ringneck parrots. The male is on the left. I shot this video with quality mobile phone camera. Native to sub-Saharan Africa and southern Asia, this parrot is a popular cage bird. It usually breeds annually and nests in tree hollows. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click the like button and do subscribe. I have many interesting videos on my channel. Do have a look. Have a great day. Bye.